the feature I enjoy the most in iOS 18, the new Math Notes calculator. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share my favorite feature in the latest iOS 18 update. So, watch till the end and let's dive in. First, open the calculator app. Once the app is opened, there is a little calculator at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it. After tapping, the options will pop up. You have to select Math Notes. Tap on it. Here appears the home of it. Tap on here to open a new page. Here you can edit your equation. And the result updates instantly. Use also equations, simplifications, and the calculator will automatically provide you the solutions. You have to just type your equation in there. It makes my work even more simpler and fast. So that's my favorite iOS 18 feature. It's practical, intuitive, and just makes sense for everyday use. What's your favorite feature in iOS 18? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.